Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the exam tip number 4, revision. I hope you have subscribed to the YouTube channel AS Foundation. If not, do it immediately, because tomorrow I am going to give you subject wise tip, how to prepare individual subject. Today how you should do the revision. Okay. So revision is one of the most important aspects of your planning process. You should have enough time for your revision. Like for example, if you have a November exam, then your revision must start 3 months before that. Okay, if you have May exam, then you should start revising from February onwards. How much time should we take for the revision? That's a very good question. So your revision should take half the time. First revision should take half the time of your initial studies. So if you have earlier taken 6 months to do the revision, do the study, the first reading, you should take 3 months to revise. If you have completed the first reading in 4 months, then you should take 2 months to do the first revision. Okay. In the first revision, you need to revise everything again. In the first revision, you need to revise everything all over again. All problems that you have done in first reading, do it again. All the theory part that you have studied in first reading, again do it. Okay. So this will make your concept stronger, make you remember things for a longer time, and it will go into your permanent memory. This is first revision. In the first revision, what you will do, your first reading must have highlighted some paragraphs or topics in every theory that are not important. Skip such while revising. While doing the first reading, you must have made your own notes. You would have highlighted some important lines. At the same time, you have identified what you don't have to study. So if you have identified what you don't have to study, then maybe you can skip such topic. While revising practical subjects, you can avoid solving complete question by doing only differential treatments. So questions are very lengthy when it comes to topics like accounts, costing, FM. Okay, you may not be able to solve the complete problem again in the revision. So what you should do, in the first reading, highlight the important point, highlight the important adjustment, and then while doing the first revision, you can just go and have a look at those important adjustments. Of course, you can practice some problem fully. Now, more than the first revision, second revision is important. This will make things permanent, and then now there is no reason why you will not get a good rank in the exam. What is the time required for the first revision? Half second revision, half the time of the first revision. If you do first revision in 2 months, then second revision you will take 1 month. And now here you don't have to study each and everything. Rather, you have to mark important points in your first revision, and that you need to revise in your second revision. Of course, if you have more time left for the exam, or if your exam gets postponed for some reason, okay, then you can do one more revision. I would normally recommend 1 good reading first time and 3 revisions, but if 3 revisions are not possible, at least 2 revisions you must complete properly, and ensure that you now know all the concept, you know all the theory topics. In case of formula based subjects like cost accounting, financial management, you know all the formula, you know how to apply those formula by now. If possible, make your own formula book also in the first reading only. What you need to study, okay, that also I will cover today. First, you must study the study material. Then you also go through the suggested answer of the last 10 to 12 exams. For every subject, also buy a good reference book. Okay. For practical subjects, try to revise as many practical questions as possible. Okay. Prepare short notes for practical chapters. Short note means what are the important aspects of this practical topic. Just note it down so that you need to revise only those questions. In case of accounts, advanced account, make a note of important adjustments. Okay, since all questions have only certain points that are different, only those can be practiced rather than the entire question at the revision stage. And this happens usually in problems of accounts, advanced accounting. Almost 80-90% of the questions are same. If you solve questions of say company final account, 70-80% efforts are the same, only the adjustments may be different. Okay, start with the basic concept of each topic and end with solving the questions given in the study module. First read the theory, the concept, and then solve the problem in case of practical topic. I have seen some students without reading the theory part of the practical question also, they start solving the problem directly. That's a very dangerous technique and you might make mistake. And as I told you in earlier exam tip also, that every day make a habit of reading 1 or 2 accounting standard and auditing standard. Okay, so this is for today. See you tomorrow, and tomorrow I am going to give you subject wise tip, how to study account, advanced account, costing, tax, law, audit and other subjects. So don't miss it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you'll get a notification. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All the best.